Welcome to Cape Town, a city that's not only breathtaking, but also inclusive and welcoming. Feel the warm embrace of the mother city as you discover its stunning diversity, iconic landscapes, and vibrant culture. Towering above the city are the world-famous Table Mountain and Lion's Head, perfect spots to capture breathtaking views and experience nature's majesty. Cape Town is also a foodie's paradise. From traditional boba tie to Cape Malay curries, every dish tells a delicious story. What makes it even better? This destination is Black and LGBTQ+ friendly, ensuring everyone feels right at home. Don't miss the V&A waterfront for local artisans and world-class shopping, or take a walk along the serene Camps Bay beaches. The sunsets? Pure magic. Where should we wander off to next? Subscribe and let us know your dream destination. Your passport to adventure is just one click away. Pack your bags. Your next journey awaits.